Something I never thought I'd do. Pick up a Switch 2. Listen, it's not my proudest moment, but we had to do it because I needed to see what all the hype was about. There was a lot of people who hate this, a lot of people who love this device. It's kind of like that in between, and I apologize for my really wacky filming style here. I had one hand to film this, so it was kind of a mess and a half to say the least. But across the board, right, and I picked this up a couple days ago. After a couple of days of using it, for someone who doesn't really go crazy with the Switch, I have a Switch 1. It is the M word, MODDED. You can't really say anything about that ever on YouTube or else you get destroyed. So it's that M word that I did on the Switch there. The Switch 1, that is. And I love the Switch 1 because of that. Switch 2, obviously you can't do that yet, or maybe in the future, who knows. I love the Switch 2. I really do. After playing it for a couple days, I will say, again, not being like a Nintendo fanboy here, not being a guy who always buys everything Nintendo, it's actually a really good device. And I would say, like, out of a rating of a 10, probably give it like a 8.5. I connected to a 4K monitor, and it looks beautiful. So, it's kind of my review.